Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
After you have created a new data connection for a report, the connection will always be reestablished when you open the report after saving it in the future. However, if you wish to delete a data connection that you no longer use, you will need to do that through the Data Explorer dialog box. You can also use this dialog box to log on and off of specified servers and generally manage the data connection used by Crystal Reports on your computer. If you have no report open, then you can access the Data Explorer by selecting File from the menu bar and then choosing the Log On or Off Server command. Note that if you do have a report opened, then instead select Database from the menu bar, then choose the Log On or Off Server command. In the Data Explorer dialog box, you can select a data connection listed and then use the Log On and Log Off buttons to log on and off of the server that's associated with that connection. You can also right-click on any connection here and then select the Delete Connection command to permanently delete a data connection that's shown. When you're finished using this dialog box, simply click the Close button. You can also use the Data Explorer if you need to connect to an SAP server to access your data. You use the folders within the Data Explorer just as you would within the Database Expert to select your SAP server. You can then select it and then click the adjacent Log On button and provide your user credentials to access the selected server.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.